Alright guys, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hope you all are fine, shed and beautiful. This is your host RJ Hamza Sheikh and umeed karta hu you guys are fine, shine and beautiful. Right now we are in Bellagio Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. Everybody knows about Bellagio, like it's have a beautiful casino, beautiful resorts, beautiful Bellagio fountains show, everybody knows about it. And Bellagio Garden. So right now I'm here with my little SHAREBEAR right here. Hi Ed. How are you, my darling? How are you? Say hi to SHAREBEAR family. Alright guys, with my SHAREBEAR daughter and with my wifey today with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, put the bell icon on, and let's see what we're gonna see today. Okay guys, so this is the mega watch store in Bellagio, Las Vegas. Oh, I really like that one. Look at this one. These are really nice. The black one. Wow. Okay guys, so guys, we are about to go enter into Bellagio Garden. Here my SHAREBEAR wifey is here. How are you? Good. Today we are out with our whole SHAREBEAR family, as you see. So let's go into the Bellagio Garden. So right now we are entering. Let's start from there, okay? Whoa. Yeah.
Wow. Love the flowers here.
Oh, look at this balloon.
Yeah, the hot air balloons that they have are really cool. Made of flowers.
Look at the clouds. Oh.
Of course, they gotta have fountains. Got the nice waterfall. Wow. Look at those tulips. Those are very pretty. They got the
Look at that, guys. This does look so beautiful.
Clouds. They even got trees in here.
Keep walking. So guys, we are giving you exclusive tour of Bellagio Garden. Look at this, baby. Oh, this is a nice view. Go in the middle.
Oh, wow. Hi,
What are you doing, baby? You're enjoying?
There's some flowers that I'm not sure what their names are, but
Look at this
very
one.
pretty. Yeah, they got the waterfall coming up that. That's a really big one.
Oh, wow.
Mashallah.
That's mashallah, really nice.
Very.
Look at now.
This is probably one of my favorite ones.
Huh?
This is one of my favorite ones of the
They
vlog.
probably have fishes inside too. Where are the fishes? Oh, they are over there.
So
Yeah.
pretty. And then they got the peacock. You just gotta look.
Oh, the peacock is,
So cool.
it's really cool, like to be honest.
Look, it's got its tail in the
Oh,
water.
wow. Oh yeah, look at this, guys.
I love these flowers. Look at what
Look
they're
at
called.
this, look at this. Oh, look at those.
Oh, they're like eggs. The nest of
Wow.
the peacock.
It is so beautiful, guys. If you guys live in Las Vegas, do visit,
Come visit.
or if you're gonna come visit, do visit Bellagio Garden. And from here, we're gonna go to the Bellagio Fountain Show that we're gonna show you in the video. So stay with me. I know it's a pretty long video, but it's worth it to watch. And make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Press the bell icon and share this with your family and friends. And here we're going to enter in the thing. Here you go. Alright guys, as you guys know, here we are entering in the Bellagio. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. Right now we are heading towards the Bellagio Fountain Show. That you guys is definitely gonna love it. Definitely gonna love it. It's really beautiful. And so stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Alright guys, so now we are heading towards the Bellagio Fountain. Everybody knows. Woohoo! It is. It's really pretty at night, and you will see the strip view as well, guys. So stay tuned with us. Here, the most waited moment of our vlog. As you guys see that we are heading toward the Bellagio Fountain show that's probably gonna start in 1 and 2 minutes. And but you guys can see the view of whole strip. It's beautiful. And the show gonna start in a minute. So guys, we are almost here to the Bellagio show, like Bellagio Fountain Show. It's gonna be right over here, and we are here. Okay, so guys, stay with us because we are going to show you guys a beautiful fountain show. So guys, right now we are going towards the strip. As you guys see the view,
It's very beautiful.
it's really beautiful.
I love the lights out during the nighttime.
Yeah, it's always pretty, you know.
Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty.
Right now we are on the strip. After the Bellagio, we are heading towards the Hershey chocolate factory. It's basically kind of like a guide to Las Vegas if you guys want to come to Las Vegas. this is the whole guide, like what are the beautiful things that you need to watch it, and you guys definitely gonna love it too. All right, guys. So our next stop is Hershey milk chocolate. So this is a whole factory right here. It's right next to New York, New York. And let's go inside and see what they have. And you know what? My wife really loves chocolate, especially the Hershey one. So here you go. We are here. Somebody's happy. So guys, यहाँ पे you guys can come and take a bucket from here. Time क्या हो गया? It's almost 10:12. Take a bucket and whatever you want, you can just hold that lever. If you do it down, and you will receive this thing. So they have all that thing over here. Look at this. The Statue of Liberty with pure Hershey chocolate. If you guys like Hershey, give a thumbs up, and also comment down below which one you really like. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like today's vlog, and let's take a moment over here, and it was a lot of walking and I was tired now. Take care of yourself, be happy, smile more. Life is too short to be tense or to be sad about anything, so be happy. Keep smiling when you still have the peeps, and make sure to subscribe our channel SHAREBEARS and put that bell icon on. Okay, adios.